What's going on, guys? This is Tyler with Clean Cut Lawns. Hope you're all doing well. If you haven't been to this channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button. But today I'm going to use the Makita angle grinder with the cutting wheel and cut a piece of tubing off my trailer. I'm going to turn it around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see, this is the piece of tube I'm going to cut off my trailer. Here's reference to my finger. It is hollow in the middle, so it shouldn't take too terribly much to cut it off. I'm using this Craftsman work light. It's plugged into the AV outlet in the car, but I'm gonna try and get this on video. I know it's dark outside, so probably not the best quality, but at least it could show you something, I reckon. Gotta let the water come out. Check this out. That's pretty neat. There it goes. Now I gotta use a grinding wheel and grind that down. Hope you enjoyed that video there of the Makita angle grinder with the cutting wheel on there. Stay tuned for the next one. It's going to have the actual grinding wheel on there because I'm going to grind that down. Same trailer, same setup, but with the grinding wheel. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of angle grinder you use.